basically this is going to be a simple sweet jam lettuce salad. Alright? It's not gonna be it's gonna just be a simple one. Alright, so now I cut off the bits of this one. Really nice sweet jam lettuce. Look at that. That is amazing. Now we got some cucumber. Got some celery, which we're going to be using. Tomato, I've got some spring onion. Got some red onion. Look at that. Black pepper. Nice one. Now we're going to put a little bit of chili. I just use a hand and fold it in like this. You know what I mean? Look at that. Beautiful. Simple. Look at that, guys. It is amazing. Now, as you can see exactly what's going on in the kitchen. It's gonna be a simple one, not too complicated. I mean, yeah. Lime juice. You know, lime juice is really nice in salad, especially if you're doing an healthy salad. Alright? I'm gonna put a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar inside of it. Look at that. Fantastic and amazing. Alright. Now, as you can see for yourself, the salad is going on good. And you can put olive oil in it. There's a lot of stuff you can put inside of it. I'm gonna put a little bit of white vinegar. Put some garlic. And now, this is what's gonna happen. Look at this, guys. It's going to be amazing. Look at the full 100 of this thing right here. Simple like a salad to make at home. You know what I mean? Yeah. See that? That's looking amazing. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Alright?